Hello, this is Abby Jamison, and this is my capstone project defense, hiring and training of summer camp employees. My practicum project will consist of the creation of a work analysis and preparation of a PowerPoint training and associated training manuals. The work analysis will focus on the KSAOs, the knowledge, skills, and abilities/others necessary to be successful in the position. The work analysis will be used in future hiring of employees. The training will be an initial hire training, giving them greater insight into their employer, what they, the employer, stands for in the community and what values they uphold, and what, as employees, their basic tasks and responsibilities gathered from the work analysis will be. Along with a PowerPoint training, I will be creating both a trainer manual detailing each step of the training and a training manual providing any pertinent information such as guided notes the participants may need. My client, also my current employer, is the Franklin County Family YMCA. The Y is a nationwide organization built upon a Christian foundation. Its core values include respect, responsibility, honesty, caring, and giving back to the community. It provides high-quality programming at low costs and allows generous scholarships to those in need. The Y provides services to all ages. I will be completing my practicum in the summer camp program, which provides programming to children ages 5 through 12. The program directors, Jamie Stump and Hope Ficaro, will serve as my oversight for the project. Kevin McAlexander, the Y's CEO, will also be evaluating the project. This project will begin with an initial meeting with Jamie, Hope, and Kevin to detail exactly what they, as the client, are desiring. I will then gather all pertinent information, including current hiring guides and all summer camp manuals, as well as job descriptions of summer camp counselors from sites such as ONET to gain a basic understanding of what this job entails. I will then spend some time observing current employees throughout their day, meeting with subject matter experts, and preparing a list of applicable KSAOs, tasks, and duties and responsibilities. I am going to be preparing a functional job analysis. It will include descriptions of the work done, task statements, and necessary worker traits. I will submit this to Jamie and Hope and Kevin for their review and approval. After any necessary revisions, I will make recommendations to them for the ideal hire. Currently, requirements are that they pass a drug test and have no criminal background. The next step will be in designing the training. The focus of this training will be on the tasks and duties that they are responsible for, as well as detailing to them the core values of the Y and how they will be expected to uphold those on and off the job. The training will be active and interactive. I will utilize an icebreaker and team building exercises to help build camaraderie between them. I will use immediate learning involvement exercises and rotating trio exchange to gauge their current knowledge, and the PowerPoint presentation, headlines, and guided note-taking for the lecture component. I will prepare a trainer manual detailing every step for the trainer, including what and when they should speak, what they should do, as well as directions on how to conduct both a level 1 and a level 2 evaluation after the training. I will prepare a trainee manual, providing to them any necessary information they might need, including pages for their guided note-taking. I will be presenting the lecture to the program directors, Jamie and Hope, and to the Y's CEO, Kevin. I will provide them with a level 1 evaluation to ascertain whether or not the training met their expectations. Lastly, I will prepare a final project report, completed work analysis, PowerPoint training, and trainer and trainee manuals as theirs to keep. They intend to begin using this training with their 2020 hires. I will be consulting and researching the latest information on work analyses, as well as requirements for the job of summer camp counselor and expectations as an employee of the YMCA. Research on the work analysis will include that of both work and worker-oriented analyses. Summer camp counselor job descriptions will come from sites such as ONET, as well as the current manuals of the YMCA. All research will be used to help create recommendations for the ideal hire as well as initial training. I chose a project that I felt would give me vast experience in a couple different areas. First and most obvious is in creating the work analysis. This will be invaluable experience to me in the workplace. The second major area, of course, is in training and development, which is a significant interest of mine. I will also gain experience in hiring and selection, performance by way of detailing the ideal performance, employee attitudes, behavior, motivation, and satisfaction as I observe current employees and make recommendations for the ideal employees, a bit of experience in organizational change as designating the ideal employee based upon current employees, what we like, what we don't, and of course experience in research. I have a tight 8-week timeline. My first week will consist of research, meetings with the director, CEO, SMEs, and observation of current employees. The next 2 weeks will consist of preparation of the work analysis and submission to and approval by the directors and the CEO. This is when I will make recommendations for the ideal hire as well. The next 2.5 weeks are dedicated to the creation of the trainer manual. I will be creating goals, designing opening exercises, presentations, activities in the manual itself, detailing for the trainer what to say and do. The next 5 days are dedicated to preparation of the trainee manual, introduction, headlines, guided note-taking. The 5 days after that are for creation of the PowerPoint presentation and for any visual aids. The last few days are set aside for me to give the presentation to the directors, Jamie and Hope, and to the CEO, Kevin, for their approval and acceptance. At this point, they will receive the final report and provide an evaluation of the overall project.